Bonjour, mon ami. My name is Madame Chocolat, and I would like to invite you all to a virtual bake-off. All you need is to order from Crumb your very own baking box. Let me show you. And voila! Through the door, you will receive your very own baking kit with everything you need to make some fun biscuits or cakes. You will get the ingredients and the recipe, everything from the flour, they even do gluten-free, and sprinkles and icing and even some fun cutters and shapes. So, why don't you book a virtual bake-off party with Magical Quest and Crumb, and we will have some fun. And when the cake or biscuits are in the oven, we can do some sewing, songs, and dancing, and we can play some party games. Hope to see you soon. Au revoir.